How much power does it take to run a Google search? And what if you're using AI? Believe it or not, a request made through ChatGPT uses 10 times more electricity than a Google search. With air conditioning, electric cars, data centers, and growing industries, electricity demand keeps going up and up and up. GE Vernova is a global leader in the energy industry. In fact, 30% of the world's electricity comes from GE Vernova technology. And around the world, our gas turbines play an essential role in delivering the power people rely on every day. That's where you come in. We're looking for motivated individuals ready to power their future careers. What does it take to succeed? An interest in how things work. Enjoying hands-on work, building, assembling, repairing. Basic math skills. You don't need to be perfect at math or already an engineer. Curiosity and safety first are what matter. At GE Vernova, after your training, you'll start out as a turbine mechanic, servicing and maintaining our gas turbines and combined cycle power plants around the globe. Your career path doesn't stop there either. With the right skills and certifications, you can advance to become a field engineer, a role that usually requires an engineering degree. But not with us. Here, the opportunity is in your hands. That's right, you have the power to help meet the world's growing energy needs. Because the energy transition is more than just technology. It's about people, opportunity, and solving real problems that impact lives everywhere. At GE Vernova, you'll be part of something world-changing. Working at GE Vernova, you have the power to help bring light to every corner of the globe.